New AirPods tipped to launch next month. Apple's new AirPods is all set to launch next month, according to reliable tipster John Prosser. The earbuds were allegedly planned to be launched at Apple's March event, which didn't happen this year. In addition, the internal code of this upcoming AirPods is said to be B288A, according to Twitter user @LOVetadream, who also shared Apple's product lineup earlier last month. From what it looks like, this new AirPods could be the AirPods Pro Lite referenced by Taiwanese publication Digitimes this February. Digitimes further hinted in March that the production of these earbuds would start towards the end of the first quarter or at the beginning of the second quarter. AirPods Pro Lite is said to feature replaceable ear tips like the Apple AirPods. It's in the air that these earbuds would lack support for active noise cancellation. If these new earbuds lack ANC, we could expect Apple to launch them at a more affordable price point. For reference, Apple launched the AirPods Pro at $249, 24,900 rupees, last October. When these earbuds get launched, they will be competing against Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus that got launched in February at $149. Also, Prosser says the launch of these new AirPods will happen alongside the rumored 13-inch MacBook Pro with the new Magic Keyboard. Considering the fact that Prosser's track record is spot on when it comes to Apple's launch dates, as we saw recently with the launch of the new iPhone SE, we might actually be seeing new AirPods next month.